In this video, we are going to see how we can practically apply the VLOOKUP with approximate match, and we are going to see a practical example of this. So we are using this same project that we have started for the use of AI in Excel. This is an AI created worksheet that we will practice on. And what you need to do is just switch on to the orders sheet. Here we have an example of the customer data where the customer has ordered different car decoration products in different units with different prices, and these are the total prices or total sales amount that the customer will pay us in future. But at this stage, this is just an order, and I want to extract how much discount is applicable based on their purchases. So we offer certain discounts. If you check the other sheet of discounts, let's click here, and it says on minimum purchase there's 0% discount, and above 5,000 there's 5% discount, above 10,000 there's 10% discount, but you cannot see it properly in 10%. That's because we haven't applied the percentage sign yet. So it's very simple, just select the column, go to the home tab and apply the percentage. So here you go. So basically this is the upper and lower limit. You can define it in this way as well. So let's say 0 to 4,999. Up till this amount, there's only 0% discount, but above 5,000 till 9,999, there is 5% discount, and above 10,000, there is 10% discount. But we can keep it like this as well. It's very easy to understand. 0 up till 4,099 is 0%, falls under this category, and above 5,000 is 5%, above 10,000 is 10% discount, and above 20,000 is 15%. So because this particular table is on an other sheet and I want to apply the VLOOKUP on, let's say this one, this sheet, what we can do is just select this whole area and just name it as D table, discount table, hit enter, and make sure from the drop down that it is showing in the name here. You can also make sure that it is properly saved by going into formulas and name manager, and you can find the range here, which you can expand later on based on the data. Anyways, let's extract the discount because we want the discount here next to each order or total sales. Let's say this is total sales, and let's extract the discount applicable now. Equals to VLOOKUP. Lookup value is this because we want to find out how much discount is applicable on this particular amount, comma. Where do you want to see this? In the D table. So you will notice that we don't need to go in the other sheet in order to select the data. We can directly select it from here. And the column index is the second row because in first the range is mentioned and in the second one the percentage is mentioned. So it's the second column always. And what is it? Approximate match or exact match? If you notice, there is no certain thing as 5,000, 10,000. So it doesn't matches exactly with the sales amount. We just have to find out in which range does it fall. So that's why we will not be applying the exact match. We will be applying approximate match. By the way, guys, if you are in the formula, in middle of applying the formula, you will notice that when we switch the sheets, it will show the sheet reference here. So you have to manually remove it if you don't want, and you're back on this sheet. I'll just write 1 for the approximate match, hit enter, and there you go. It's 0% because it's below 5,000. Let's go to the home tab and apply the percentage. And after that, it's very simple. Just double click to send it down and you should be able to see all the percentages of discount applicable. So that's how you can use the approximate match in VLOOKUP. Now, if we just want to extract the actual discount amount, we can simply write equals to this cell multiply by this cell, hit enter. So 3,618 multiplied by 0% is 0%, is 0 discount, and just double click to send it down and you will see all the discounts that are applicable on the certain sales. So that's how you can do it. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.